32.
3 ಮಾತ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಇಂಚ್ ಸೈಡ್.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನುಷ್ಕಾ?
ಆಹಾ 23 ಚೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ he can see 32, that's good enough. He realizes that it is.
So I'll be happy with 23.
Okay, nice face.
Go.
Nice face.
Go stand with Chika, blow the candle, go.
Let's do clapping. Let's do.
Say
Suma nin sa hatra ba? Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
birthday dear.
Yay!
Anushka sing. Happy birthday to you. Anushka.
Polly, whose birthday is it? Happy birthday dear Chika.
Happy birthday.
Polly, Chika ke kiss karo. Give Chika kiss.
Thank you.
Happy birthday hello.
Thank you.
High five.
Give me high five.
Low five ante nodu.
Cut cake. Wow.
Anushka I thought I part.
Let's cut.
Polly,
Let's cut.
do
cake.
cut.
Yay!
No, ಅವಳೆ ಪೋ ಇದು ಸಿಕ್ಲದು.
Say happy birthday Anushka. Happy birthday to
Chika.
Super Chika.
Big. You want the big piece? This?
Nana, put the piece in birthday baby's mouth.
I don't think you can. Is it okay?
Yeah,
To
I'll
smell?
take a small piece. Give them put it.
Is it okay to smell la jada?
ಇದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ
Naughty ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಕೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಸಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Sorry. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು?
ಇರ one minute. Nana, look up.
Anushka, here, put in Chika's mouth.
Put piece in Chika's mouth, Kanda.
This in Chika's mouth. Happy birthday!
Thank you. Let me clean it.
ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೈ ಬಾಳೆದು
32.
Yeah.
Give one piece to your brother.
What?
The
Ah,
surprise organizer.
my.
ಅಲ್ಲ height ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes. I've never been surprised like this.
Oops. First ಅವಳಿಗೆ
Does she like the top or the
ಕೇಕ್ part.
cannot do it?
ಇಲ್ಲ let him give.
Only Chika, I'll give you one piece. Happy birthday to Chika. Good girl. Is it good?
You like
Is it
it?
good? You like it?
You want the chocolate part?
Is it good? See, like yummy.
Sticky. Let me take it.